Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Node, JS, NPM, and the Firebase CLI are installed, and you're signed into your Google account. Once done, create a Firebase project in the console and enable Firestore or real-time database depending on your needs. Now run Firebase init in your repo, select functions and hosting if you want full stack, and pick JavaScript or TypeScript. Make sure to install dependencies with npm install inside the functions folder so your environment is ready to code. You now write the core backend. Create HTTP endpoints and background functions inside functions/index, JS or functions/src. Use modular code, export handlers, and interact with Firestore via the admin SDK. Initialize admin with admin. Initialize app. Once coded, set secrets with Firebase functions config, set so you avoid hard-coding keys. Then run Firebase emulators, start to test auth, functions, and database locally. When responses and security rules behave as expected, deploy with Firebase. You finish by deploying hosting if you have a front end. Use Firebase deploy only hosting, or deploy everything together. Make sure to author and publish Firestore or real-time database security rules, add necessary indexes, and configure IAM roles with least privilege for any service accounts. Once deployed, run end-to-end tests and monitor logs in the Cloud Console. If things go wrong, inspect emulator output, then function logs and Cloud Console logs. Additionally, redeploy a minimal fix and roll forward quickly to restore service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.